ready to take your investing game to the next level and build wealth like a pro? If so, you're lucky because we've got just the video for you. Welcome to our video on investing for beginners. How to build wealth through smart investments. Whether you're a recent college grad just starting out or a seasoned professional looking to grow your nest egg, investing can be a powerful tool to help you achieve your financial goals. But with so many investment options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and need help figuring out where to start. We've compiled this video to give you a solid foundation for success in investing. We'll walk you through the essential tips and tricks that will help you build a diversified portfolio and maximize your returns. So, whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, prepare to take your investing game to the next level. We've got the inside scoop on how to build wealth through smart investments, and we're excited to share it with you. Before we dive in, please make sure to hit that like button. The first and most important step, the first step in your journey toward financial freedom is to educate yourself. Oh, don't worry. It's simpler than it sounds. By adjusting your mindset and learning some basic concepts, you can make a difference in your financial status. Start by familiarizing yourself with the fundamentals of financing, including concepts like income, expenses, net worth, return on investment, passive income, financial independence, and more. But don't stop there. Read up on the latest financial books and follow successful investors on social media to get some valuable insights. It's essential to be cautious, though, as not all information on the internet is accurate. Make sure to check if the information that you're learning is correct and then realize it. And always remember, the more you know, the more you learn. So let's begin your journey to building wealth through smart investments. Get a regular income source. My dear friend, it's great you're considering building wealth. As you already know, accumulating wealth takes time to happen. It requires careful planning and execution. First things first, you need to have a stable income source. Whether it's a regular job or a side hustle, it's crucial to have a steady income stream to sustain yourself. A plan to earn money is vital because it will be your starting point toward financial stability. Once you have a regular income source, you can then start thinking about ways to grow your wealth. There are several avenues for investment, such as the stock market, real estate, or cryptocurrency, to name a few. You can also start a business or acquire education and certification for a high-income skill. However, before jumping into any investment or business, it's essential to do your research and seek professional advice. It's also crucial to mentally prepare yourself for possible setbacks and failures. Remember, building wealth is a journey. It takes time and effort to achieve your financial goals. Have a budget. Budgeting, it's one of the fundamental pillars of building wealth. It's like putting a fence around your money so you can ensure that it's growing in the right direction. If you want to grow your wealth, you need to start budgeting. Here's the deal. Budgeting helps you become disciplined in your spending, which means more savings, ultimately leading to more wealth. To get started with budgeting, you should set a limit on your spending and plan to stick to it. One method that is easy to follow is the 50/20 rule. It's simple yet effective. Allocate 50% of your income towards essentials like rent, food, or healthcare. Another 30% goes towards your wants like shopping, entertainment, or travel. And the remaining 20% goes straight into your savings. By budgeting your income this way, you can watch your wealth grow steadily each month without even breaking a sweat. Emergency fund. Create a safety net for unexpected events. Imagine a scenario where you own an aging vehicle that has been a reliable mode of transportation for several years. However, it now shows signs of wear and tear. You depend on it for your daily commute and work. If an unexpected incident occurs, such as a breakdown, you may face significant repair costs, leaving you stranded without transportation. Consider selling some of your investments to pay for the repair or, worse yet, accumulate debt with high interest rates to cover the expense. To avoid such a stressful situation, it is essential to establish an emergency fund. Life is full of uncertainties. Unplanned events can occur anytime, such as car breakdowns or unexpected medical bills. An emergency fund can provide you with financial security and peace of mind in case of unforeseen events requiring immediate attention. When you're establishing an emergency fund, it's important to remember that it should cover 6 to 12 months of living expenses. The need for such a fund became evident during the recent pandemic when many individuals lost their jobs and faced financial difficulties. Once you start building your emergency fund, you can deposit it into a savings account, where it will be easily accessible if the need arises. Invest. Once you have done everything I just mentioned, only then should you get into investing. Investing can be a powerful tool for building wealth, but it's still risky. Before putting your hard-earned money into any investment opportunity, it's important to take the time to educate yourself on the risks and potential rewards associated with it. This will help you make good decisions that will help you reach your financial goals. One important aspect of risk management when it comes to investing is diversification. Diversifying your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographies can help you spread your risk and minimize losses. This means putting only some of your eggs in one basket, so to speak. By diversifying, you can reduce your exposure to any particular investment and potentially reap the benefits of multiple opportunities. However, diversification can be tricky to navigate, especially for those new to investing. Consulting with a financial advisor can be a wise choice for those who want expert guidance on creating a diversified portfolio that aligns with their financial goals and risk tolerance. An advisor can also help you identify potential investment opportunities you might have yet to consider. Automation is key. Automating your financial life can be an effective way to simplify your money management and alleviate the stress of handling finances. Many struggle to track bills, debts, savings, and investments, leading to missed payments and financial setbacks. Fortunately, several ways to automate your finances to avoid such issues exist. One way to automate your finances is to set up automatic deductions from your paycheck. Financial advisors often recommend setting a fixed percentage of your salary to cover expenses such as debts, savings, and investments. By activating this feature, you can ensure that your money is distributed equally and consistently each month, without the need for manual intervention. Over time, you may become accustomed to automated deductions, and the money you save from your salary will become a natural part of your budget. In addition to setting up automatic deductions from your paycheck, there are other ways to automate your financial life. For example, you can set up automatic bill payments through your bank or credit card company, ensuring your bills are paid on time. You can also use budgeting apps and tools to track your expenses, which can help you avoid overspending. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. The age-old advice of not putting all your eggs in one basket. You know what they say? Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Okay, enough with the puns. But seriously, diversification is critical when it comes to investing. Let's be honest. Anyone who tells you to put all your money in one place is either crazy or trying to scam you. Sure, there's a chance that you might win big, but there's also a chance that you will lose big time, and when it comes to investing, it's always better to go safer. Usually, people cannot really predict the market. Anything can happen at any time. No one expected COVID to happen. So it's always better to go safe since it's your hard-earned cash. Think about it this way: would you rather have one big cake that could go bad or a bunch of cupcakes you can enjoy one at a time? I know I'd go for the cupcakes any day. In all seriousness, diversification is essential for your financial security. It's like having a safety net for your investments. Sure, some sectors may falter or experience a downturn. However, if you've spread your investments across different areas, you'll still have something to fall back on. And there you have it, folks. The first step to building wealth through smart investments is educating yourself on finance basics. With this newfound knowledge, you can make informed decisions and set yourself up for financial success. But don't stop here, there's much more to learn and explore on your investing journey. So hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights on how to build wealth through smart investments. Your financial future. Thank you.